And welcome. If you want to build a website or landing page for any purposes that you have for maybe your business or personal vlog or blog or high school project or literally any purpose that you want, and you looking for a reliable platform to make that happen, today this video is just about for you because we want to show you how easy and fast you can manage things in Wix platform, because this is really very powerful tool to build everything that you want to go live with. Any landing page or any website, big or small, you can build it definitely on Wix. So before I start to provide you with all the features of this fantastic platform, I want to say that our team left the link in the description panel of this video. And you can easily get access to Wix platform with a big discount for our friends, for our subscribers. So let's jump to dashboard. I'll try to make this video fast and short, not to waste your time. First of all, of course, you need to log in or sign up to the platform, and it's easy. It's just one step. And when you're going to be on the dashboard, you need to press the create a new site. The platform itself will ask you what is the purpose of your websites: business, online store, photography, music, designer, restaurant, food, fitness, events, blog, beauty and wellness, portfolio and CV, and so on and so on. You can let the Wix ADI create a website for you, answering a couple questions, simple questions. Or you can create a website with an editor and choose a template, and that's what I want to show you in this video. And here you go. There's tons of things that you can choose from the list. Landing pages or restaurant and food, fashion and style, and so on and so on. There's tons of things, and you can find all that you want. And here you need to be as specific as possible, because it will save tons of time of editing for you. But in this video, I want to show you how to manage things, how to edit things, how to add strips, columns, pictures, videos, text, and so on. And in that case, if you're gonna watch this video till the end, you will find out how to edit things, and you will understand how you can apply those knowledges to your own web page. Let's start from the start. Site, save preview, get feedback, publish, site history, and exit editor. Settings, very important point in the list. Connect domain. If you own one, you can connect the domain that you have, or you can buy domain straight from here. You can get it for free from Wix if you buy in the Wix platform, and so on. Get found on Google. Interesting. Favicon, social share, and marketing and integrations. That's pretty all the things that you need to check before you go live with your website. Actually, if you build in your own website, you need to use menus and pages, background, add button, theme manager, and apps, media, my blog, booking, and Ascent Business Tools. It's like for pros. But let's start from the start. Again, very important thing, switch to mobile. You need to check before you go live. You need to check how your web page displays on different types of devices, on mobile devices, because tons of traffic nowadays, up to 60 or 65% flows from tablets and smartphones. And you need to make sure that your site, that there's no dummy pictures or some spacers and some else things that can make your site not pretty on the mobile version. So menus and pages. First button, and you see there's a home page, about, instructors, blog, plans and pricing, book online, and contact. You can add a page, or you can delete some pages from here, or even you can make the whole your website on one layout. And actually all you need is the home page, about page that describes your business as best as possible, and the contact information for like your visitors, and your visitors will be able to find you and to get in touch with you very fast and easy. When you press on these 3 dots, it's a very important thing. Now, when you press on this 3 dots button, you can go to settings, SEO, social share, rename, copy, duplicate, hide, or delete. So you can rename, copy, duplicate, hide, or delete any page in here. But let's jump to settings, the page info. The page name in the menu is home. You can hide it from the menu. Now, layouts, this is a very important thing also. You can use the standard pages. They have header and footer, or no header and footer in case if you're using a big video for the whole screen, for example, and you don't want you don't want to see this strip on the top of your page. Permissions also, you can make your site open for everyone. You can make the password holders or members only if you have this homepage, and you can apply it to any page, for example, like plans and pricing or blog. You can add a blog to members only, and only those people who have access to your website, your unique content, will see this content. SEO, you definitely need to check the SEO features because probably you want your site to be visible to search engine machines. Social share. You can upload an image if you will share the link for your website to Facebook or some other social platform. It will be displayed like this, and you need to upload an image here. And that's pretty it. I prefer to, about layouts, I prefer to use the standard one because that's how your potential customers, your visitors, will navigate to you on your page. And let's jump further. We don't have a background. This is a page background. This is not a background of the whole of the strips that you can see here, and I will show you the strips instantly. Add things, theme manager. If you see if you're just hovering these things, this is pre-made themes that you can apply to your web page to change the colors instantly, like within the seconds. And you see the header now is black, and the text color changed also, and it looks more fashion maybe. So theme manager, very important thing, but the main button here is add. Actually, you can add everything that you want. I will show you this add button. You can see the strip. This, we may say that this is a sections pre-made, or actually any website contains some sections, blocks, and to build a landing page or web page, you need the home, you need about, and you need a contact. That's pretty it. Or you can, if you have tons of content, or you have a restaurant and you have a menu, definitely you need to upload to your web page more content. The strip, I told you, text clear, image clear, button, gallery, decorative, interactive, box, listen, grades, video and music, and so on. And you can just use all of this to build your own site as you want. Let's add some button, for example, and I want to show you how to do that. You can just drag and drop it, or you can just press on this thing and you will see the button. You can reshape it, you can make it big, you can make it like that. And actually this platform, Wix platform, gives you tons of options to fully customize your web page, and that's pretty cool because a lot of services, a lot of platforms where you can build a web page or landing page. Not allows you to do that, not allows you to replace and reorder those elements as you wish. They just drop in it to the spot, and that's it. But that's a big pros of this platform, that you can like move things around as you want, literally. Very important thing is how to edit the text and how to edit all the things. When you double click on it, you see this text settings. Actually, you can use heading one. Heading, huge one. Okay, you can change the size of the font, you can make it bold, and so on, like other tools for edit the text. There are effects, you can apply all this, but I prefer to use no effects because it's like minimal, and we see that the color of the text is gray. For example, I want it to be red or blue or some else color that I want, and so on and so on. You will figure out how to edit the text. Also, you can change the font here to any from the list. Okay, cool. I prefer to use not more than 3 colors and not more than 3 fonts to whole page, because it looks in that way it looks professional and it looks more balanced. So this is small advice to you. This is the strip. You can see the strips right here, this blue boxes. This is strips, and you can like move them as you want. You can reorder them with this move up or move down buttons. Just exiting the mode just to show you. Okay, the strip, when you press on the strip, you can change strip background, scroll effect, the layouts, and to stretch it for the whole page. Change strip background. Here's a beautiful girl that like makes some sport, and let's add an image. I want to show you where you can find an image. You can upload your own media here, or you can use media from Wix, Shutterstock, or Unsplash. Very useful. Like we have a fitness and sporty girl. Here you go. Here in the strip background also you can use all these things, or with a column. Here in the settings, you can change the opacity, for example, to make it like that. And the alignment of a picture, of course, you can use also. Scale to fill or tile. I like the pictures to be for the whole page because it's modern, it's cool. I showed you how to manage the text, all these lines. You can find it in Add button. And background scroll effect, fade in, fade out. Okay, no. You can change the strip background. Now it's a color, and you can change it like instantly and very, very easy. Or you can add your own color from any that you want, for example. Okay, cancel. Just to show you. And all the strips you see, for example, we have a balanced mind and balanced body, powerhouse fitness, cute girl here, button, another button. I want to just right click and you can delete the element. It looks pretty cool. About us also looks pretty cool. Let's trash this. Drag this one to this. Okay, that looks great. Let's see how it looks in mobile version. Yeah, that looks fantastic. Cool. That looks great. And here you have the like paragraphs with the text I showed you, strips and elements you can add with all these things. Gallery, pre-made, pro galleries, for example, if you have tons of pictures of this fitness girl, you can upload it. You can find it on Wix. You can like use lines, for example, yeah. And all the elements you can add and delete in the order that you want. And this is pretty interesting because let's change strip background, image, and also sport to find some maybe cool. Here you go, settings, opacity, for example. Yeah, and that looks pretty cool with the seconds. And that's the main point of everything that I wanted to say, that you can just apply all the things with the seconds, and you can manage those things like very easily. Strip, change strip background, color, for example, I want it to be darker or white, for example, yeah. And that's pretty easy. When you're gonna figure out how to manage these things, I showed you actually the core knowledges that you can use to build your own page. You don't like the theme, you can change it. Yeah, that looks great. You see, just seconds, literally. And if you have your own content, you can upload it to the platform. If you don't have, you can use the Wix images and videos or the Shutterstock images and videos. And you can integrate this Wix site with tons of applications. You need to check this before you go live, because you can integrate tons of tools. For example, MailChimp, email marketing provider, you can integrate it to your website, Google Ads even, and tons of features you can add here to make your site more powerful and more reliable. Yeah, I hope this all makes sense for you. I hope this all was useful, and want to remind you one more time that our team left a link in the description panel of this video, so you can easily find that link and you can get access to the platform, to the Wix platform, with a big discount from our team. So be our guest, use that link, and start building your own web page or landing page. Everything that you want can be definitely built on this fantastic and very powerful tool within the seconds, literally. And we spent like under 20 minutes to manage the web page, and it looks pretty and it looks great and it's ready to go live. Thanks for watching this video till the end. Hope you enjoyed and hope this was useful. See you in the next video. Bye.